Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Zafran Muhammad Saleh. I would like to explain about the part 4 for the first lab of which is lab 1 basic operation of multimeter error in experimental data. So part 4 is about measuring power. So this is the circuit which we need to build in the multisim software to get the reading for the power. So this is the circuit that we need to construct to get the reading from the wattmeter, which is we need the power supply with 4 volts. This is DC power supply. This is resistor with 10k ohms and ground. This is wattmeter. So if we want to get the wattmeter readings, we run it first. So after we run, we double click the wattmeter and the wattmeter reading is here. So 1.600 milliwatt. So this is the measured value for the wattmeter. So this is the measured value for 4 volt supply, which is 1.6 milliwatt. So how to get the others 4 readings or calculation? So we can do it by, for firstly, we use for the calculated value, we use the formula P equals to IV, which is I is current, V is volt. So volt that we use is for the power supply, which is 4 volt, 8 volt and 10 volt. And for the current, we use 0.4 milliampere, 0.8 milliampere and 1.0 milliampere. So we just fill it, and 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 exponent -3 multiply 4, we get 1.6 milliwatt. This is for calculated value for 4 volt power supply. So how to get the absolute error, which is nominal value minus by measured value. So we get 1.6 milliwatt and minus 1.6 milliwatt. So we get 0. This is the nominal value, and the measured value we get from the wattmeter. So how to get a percent of error, which is we absolute error, we divide with nominal value multiply by 100%. So the absolute error is 0 we get, and the nominal value is 1.6 milliwatt. So we multiply with 100% and we get 0. So for the percent of accuracy, which is 100 minus percent of error, so percent of error we get is 0. 100% minus 0, we get 100%. So if we see this, to get the others value, we just change the power supply value, which is power supply voltage, to 8 and 10. You can change it here, just change it to 8 and 10. Repeat the same steps. So we can get here percent of accuracy for 4 volts 100%, for 8 volt also 100%, and 10 volt also 100%. So from this reading of wattmeter, I can conclude that this wattmeter is not have a error. So we can get the percent of accuracy, which is 100% for all of the 3 readings. That's all from me. Thank you.